Okay. Yeah, we did it. Friend and I finally bought a school bus to convert into an RV, or aka schoolie.
Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy.
And this is that bad boy behind me. It's a long one. It is a 1999 International 3800 Thomas school bus. Engine is a DT466E, and when we bought it, the transmission, the previous owner told us the transmission was the Allison MT643. After a little investigation, it does not have that. It has the AT545.
Certified fail.
You can see the interior here. It has two brand new tires for the front with the rims, and I believe those are wedge rims. I'm not sure, but brand new tires for the front, and I think eventually we have to get new tires for the back. Might get them a little bit bigger to help with the overall top speed of the bus itself. Plans for this is a roof raise between 15 and 20 inches. I'm not sure yet, based off of the interior plan that we want. And then we're going to be taking out the stairs and moving them down past the fuel tank that you can see underneath. It'll be right past there. So it's about 5 or 6 feet down from where it is right now. And we're going to turn the passenger area into an actual passenger seat. And then above it, we're going to put a loft with a full-size bed. So between the loft, we're going to have a queen-size bed in the back, and then a futon that folds out to a full bed. We can comfortably fit or sleep 6 people in the schoolie. So that's the main goal. That's what we're aiming for right now. So the first thing up is mostly just body and cosmetic things on the outside before we do the roof raise. I'm planning on doing that in about a month or a month and a half, just kind of setting things up with a friend of mine who's a welder when he has time, and then also getting the metal to actually do the roof raise as well. You can see on the front here on the hood, it's got a lot of the clear coat actually peeling, so that's going to be a big job of sanding that all down and getting that smooth so that we can paint that after the roof raise and all the other body panels are up. And one of the big things I want to do inside electrical wise is replace all the lights, the exterior lights, with LED lights to make it more noticeable. The ones on there are kind of dull, and I don't think they're that safe being on the highway and just traveling across the country. So that's the first thing. I purchased all them. They should be coming in soon, and then we can get to changing all the lights and making this thing look a lot nicer from the outside. So hope you guys can stick around, and I'll show you a lot more about the bus and follow the progress along with me and my friend Chris. He'll be in a few of the videos helping out. Yeah, so big plans, a lot of videos coming, a lot of conversions coming, and we're happy that you're here with us. Thanks for watching.